Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Google Analytics account from start to finish. So, we will go all the way from the beginning in terms of how to set up a Google Analytics account. And I will walk you through where to place the Google Analytics tracking ID on your website. Google Analytics is 100% free to use. It's pretty easy to understand, and it is used by small and large websites. I personally believe that Google Analytics is a great option for any website in terms of tracking their visitors' data. It helps you in understanding who is visiting your site, how they got there, and what pages they are looking at. All this information and much more can help you take important decisions that can help in getting more conversions for your business website. Therefore, it is really important that we install the GA platform on the website. And today I will show you how to set up a GA account and where to place it on the website. The first step to install Google Analytics is that we need to create a Google account. I highly recommend using a separate account if you are using it for your business. So let's navigate to analytics.google.com and click the Sign In button. Now go ahead with your ID and password and click Sign In. If you are a regular Google Analytics user, you land on a page looking like this. And if you are a new user, then you land on a screen that looks like this. Google Analytics works for both website as well as mobile app. But the tracking method is quite different for each one. In this video, we are going to set up GA account for website. So we choose the website option showing up on the top. Your account name is most likely to be your business name. Into the website name, put the name of your website. I prefer to put domain name there. And for website URL field, put the exact website URL into the box. If your website is in HTTPS, then make sure to select the HTTPS option. Now you need to select the business category. It all depends upon the website business category. The last thing is time zone. Just go ahead and select the appropriate time zone and then click on Get Tracking ID. Once you click to the Get Tracking ID, Google Analytics Terms and Agreement pop-up box comes up. Just click to I accept. Now you will get the Google Analytics Tracking ID code that you have to copy and paste to your website heading section. I'm showing you an example. I'm opening a website, gmrwebteam.com, and when you visit the website View Source section, then at the website header section, you would find the GMR Web Team GA code. To place the GA code on website, you need website login credentials, or you can ask your website developer to do that. Once you are done with the GA setting, you start getting data into GA account after 24 hours. And the very first screen you would find the very next day is Audience Overview screen.
Here you can see the Audience Overview screen, in which you can find the date setting on the top right corner. I am setting date here for an example. Here you also have the options to set date to custom, previous period or previous year. It can help you compare the performance for a specified period. This graph is showing the monthly visits for this website. It can be changed to hourly, weekly, daily by choosing all these options. Below you can see some terms. Let's understand them one by one. First is sessions. A session is a group of interactions that take place on your website within a given time frame. A single session can contain multiple page views, events, social interactions, custom variables, and e-commerce transactions. Next, we have users. The users metrics show how many users viewed or interacted with your site. Next, we have page views. If a visitor clicks or reloads a page, it is calculated as page view. Repeated views of a single page are also counted in it. For example, if a person comes to your site and views page 1, then goes to page 2, and then returns to page 1, the total number of page views will be 3. Next, we have pages per session. The average number of pages viewed per visit to your site. Repeated views of a single page are also counted in its calculation. Next is average session duration. It shows the average length of a session. It is calculated as total duration of all visits upon number of visits. Next, we have bounce rate. Bounce rate is the visits in which the person left your site from the entrance page without interacting further. It shows the percentage of people who arrive on your site and leave without visiting any other page. Last, we have percentage new session. It is an estimate of the percentage of first-time visits. On the right side, you can see a pie chart that is showing the new versus returning visitors data. We will learn more about these in our next video. Thank you.